It's because them establish certain principle and I try embrace certain level of civility. Them can't go on like them want openly be sparing our with the civility. Them have to make it look like, well, for the most of it, yeah, for the most part of it, a lot more than Africa. And Africans on the ground were far more wealthy. We are supply the West. Yeah, the West can treat for them black people, offer them more resource and things like that and benefits than what Africa can offer to hit people. It's a disgrace. It's a crying, shameful disgrace, unacceptable disgrace. You can talk till you're blue. There is so many levels where this thing is not acceptable, Rasta. Whereby you have to just burn a dirty boy and condemn some dirty people when they're in a class. We accept that. We accept Africa and a bad, so them want to go back as it is. Won't I go back? Go!
Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say?
You see?
Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I and all things that's good and wonderful amongst us. You know, see, welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the platform. See? Enough man gonna take offense to that one here, you know. You know, see it. But let me tell you this. First, let me establish this. First, see, it's as a black man. There's no place you want to be, particularly in this world, yeah? There's no place you want to be, and there's no place where you can feel more comfortable more than in a predominantly black community, regardless. See, I'm going to say that for say this. It's regardless of how anybody want to take my argument when me done, just know say, before you even hear my argument, just know say, there's no place on earth where I want to go and live and be more than Africa. See, there's no place where I aspire or would have love for them more than Africa. You know, see it? You know, produced, committed, you know, see it, to all austerity measures from government because I feel a place I want to see it built. We just know, say, yeah, no matter what, our one, we have to do it, so make we do it. Nobody else is going to come do it for we. You know, them mentality there, them patriotic mentality there. Yeah, so you would have, them they would have just flow like, you know, like a river, through black man, you know, see it. Or any man, you know, see it. But watch your Rasta. You see at the moment, when you observe Africa, you have to face reality, you know. You have to be realistic, you know. Because watch out, Africa down there, you know, when Africa look round on itself, you know, and see itself what it look like. And then by here we are singing a song about Africa, we want to go. They not go and change it. They must have said, but wait, look, but I mean, if they want to come, let them come. What? Hey, Africa right now, me no want to go Africa as how Africa is. You know, see, me done build the West already, Rasta. You know, see it? Me done build the West already, Rasta. African for build Africa. For build up back Africa where them are wait pan. You know, see the rest of the world happening in front of them. You know, see, and like them not educated and know so them have all of the resources. Even not so, even so. Where they complain that where the shorter start, where the demand deficit, what the reason why we don't have economic wealth and them sort of something there? Where them question the day from common people. You see, then if me go down there now with my sort of attitude and them thing them also, me not expect people from me not expect a certain challenge or style where me definitely can't afford. You know, see, the guys that know what go on have access and more influence to destruction than anywhere else in the world because it's gonna be more corrupt. So if you get a few guys and buy them some box food like what I always claim about Jamaica, it'll be far, 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 far more easier than Jamaica or America or anywhere. You don't see it because a lack of knowledge, lack of exposure. Nobody now teach them, nobody now show them nothing. Nobody all you hear, them a charm them with the same American dream or the Western dream where no exists the elusive dream and not even for white people. Majority of the white people cannot, grasp it, grab it. You don't see it. Rasta Africa for fix up. Africa for know the truth. People for start tell Africa. Black people for start tell Africa say, what this that, and we're not in that, we not accept that. I want to know, and they are about Africa. We're dying for come to Africa, yes, but as it is, we're not people to Rasta like everybody else in the world. Yes, everybody else in the world are just up themselves and handle them business. You know, see it? I want to be, what? Well, you can't tell me some leader that they are holding back and just sit back and make it happen. Una army we get to you like you can't reason with that info. Hey, don't tell me nothing. I don't want that. You see, fix up Africa. Worst thing, whole heap of black people in the West, populate all over the West already, I always say. While when people get powerful and them thing there and recognizable in the world and them sort of thing there, them try to go out and, well, if not say colonize, but be tourist, economic, whatever tourist. You know, see them going all about explore and all them sort of something there. You know, see, Africa don't need no ambassador for send them nowhere. Whole heap of black people there. I mean, you understand? You understand the drift, what may I say? You know, see, I mean, when them a try to get spy for send guy Russia and all them type of stuff, they just link to black man and just let them know say watch. Black man can't be committed to no other society and nothing else nowhere in the world like it would be committed to, like him would be committed to a proficient Africa at this moment or whenever, Rasta. Anyway in the world a black man there. You know see? So when you hear Jabi and when you hear the badass I say certain things about Africa, them sort of argument that the man talk about Rasta. You know see, what? Africa no baby. Africa, China can't hold in Africa with America and Europe at the same time. David Attenborough said, if America wanted, them can hide America in the Congo and nobody can see it. You see it? David Attenborough said, if Europe wanted, them can hide Europe in the Sahara Desert and nobody not see it. You can imagine them argument, Rasta? You see, our people sit down upon hot power, boiling power. And I watch the rest of we and themselves across the world. I live like scraper bottom feeder, Rasta. Bottom feeder. Nobody no see that. And nobody no know the maths. I want to talk about. Go Africa right now, go do it. Go clean it up and build it up for some guy. We're prepared and ready for kill for the power with them, the corrupt, dirty power with them maintain. And the youth them in Africa for clean up that right now, Rasta. I want to know. Would they are struggle like hell and I struggle to have all of the richest on earth. And mine and I make every other race strong. And them don't even have no gratitude, no respect for what we had done for them even at the moment. How we are talking about, man? Who come sing about go back to Africa? When? In my lifetime, tell me something now. When a tourist me going to ask. Yeah, well, if a tourist not talk about that, it's good. Anyway, just like anywhere else in the world then. You know, see it? The tourism factor on that talk about Rasta. You know, see it? Like what Jabi them said. You know, see it? Look, again, what sort of accommodation did they for I and I? Or else, what sort of organizational setup did they for black people back to Africa or Jamaican, American, British, black people, whether we even one set of black people for Barbados the other day away. Now I'm not for do the Queen again. Is there a back to Africa plan for them set of people here now? Where say well, is there some sort of dialogue with them? That's them set an example and let go of the as a predominantly black population, and them let go of the crown and colonialism and thing, this whole significance. Is there any plan from Africa whatsoever to have some sort of relations between them people here, like whether some preparation for some whatever? No, you don't see it. We don't have no black nation we can do nothing for no black people, Rasta. You know see it, and it's a shame and disgrace that when you make me want to cuss bad word, man. And now what this Rasta? And somebody have to tell her now. Somebody have to tell her now, Africa. The whole Africa may attack Rasta. There is no place on the earth where black people want to go or should go or should want to go more than Africa. But at this point, it should be a delusional move, Rasta. I want to tell me, say, you idiot, look what going on even in Ethiopia right now. Tribal war in this day and age. This day and age. Now South Africa tribal war, and the maddest thing about it, the whole of the other rest of Africa sit down there. And it's not like them I watch it from a standpoint like how barbaric or anything like that. No, them just gone about them business serious a regular day. Or something where them hey, fix up them dirty nasty mentality them, and you can't tell me that Rasta, you can't smell that. Literally smell it. Like a pig pen Rasta, like a pig style Rasta. If you should have compare the actions and the attitude of African politics this day to a smell or a scent Rasta, it next to dead flesh higher. You know see? And that has somebody to tell them Rasta. Me no beat mark my face Rasta. You know see it? Antenna on run come. Anyone at it, hey, this not gonna away. I'm only for other people here and I alone. You know see it, shame if you don't want shame Rasta, no disrespect. I have to tell it like it is. You know see the program and I come to look no friend from nobody in a Rasta. Because somewhere somehow this have to change Rasta. You know see it. We can't entertain this and live this like so we just come in the earth, we just pass through and observe everybody else do them thing. Rise into our little lifetime. Look our life short. And even in our lifetime, we watch other nation with less resource grow and become proficient and prominent operators in the earth right in front of our eyes. And Africa can't do nothing. When I tell me, say, who have control over what or who, which name. Hey, who not go with that, man? I wanna come. I want to know. You see, the whole of the down there, the sketchy pushy and have no organization. You see it? Because if you prepare for stand up for a nation when I feel like you might get him just do, and that nation they decide to feel like to rebel against whoever. You see, if the rest of them did for stand up, be like, hey, Mr. the man, them not the boss. And I like on the not the boss now, they know now work for a master. But the sickest, saddest thing about it is that the people them just sit down and I say, what? Me they all are reason with the African youth and I say, oh no not carry out no diamond for fuel yourself come sell and thing like. No, we don't want to carry no diamond come make Europe rich and how Europe mine it and I take it out anywhere. You know sit down on phone and listen to no government policy them and talk about. Well, me not instigate a crime or not like that, but me can't understand the rationale when one of the richest what could say, mineral. You see it, I want to see nobody. We don't see nobody a benefit from it. Rasta, we don't see no nation a benefit from it according to how it economically viable. We don't see nobody a benefit from it, so somebody a thief it then, Rasta. Plain and simple. You see it? So it must be a free for all. One group not supposed to carry a thief it and the rest of the country that they sit down and now get none, Rasta. You know see it? So obviously, it all inspire thieving and corruption. Corruption up at top always leak on the bottom. So that me not inspire nobody to go rob no diamond. You know see it? It's just when you look on the injustice and the inequality, you wonder where the action of the people there, you wonder where the rationale there. You see, it's them same little actions there. We encourage this deprivation because, some little greedy guy. You see them 1, 2 greedy guy there. You see the maddest thing about them, you see true, our greedy guy, them, we can't deal with them. You see, when we say we can't deal with them, and we fi deal with them. You know see, we fi deal with them, Rasta. We know how to deal with them. You know see it? We even sit down and watch them and I expect other people to come deal with them. Hey, Africa, be a what listeners that I'm gonna rate that Rasta. Like I said, there is no place on earth would I like go more. You know see, no place would I prefer there more than Africa. But Africa, they have not bunks like Indonesia or Thailand or one of them places there. The whole big Africa, they have not bunk. And you can't tell me say I lie, me I tell. You know see, in terms of social civility, in terms of economic civility, in terms of educational civility and all them sort of something, the Rasta, where the promotion there, where the development there, for the richest place on earth. Me can't comprehend that. It's unacceptable. And for me, they are sing praise for that. But I'm sing praise for Haiti. Might as well sing praise for Haiti and Brazil. I will for black people and the other place at the Rasta. For black people me love because the groups and the numbers make me inspire me for be respectful. So why not? You don't see something nobody sing about Brazil Rasta. You don't see it. You don't see it. No man. If I say go Rasta enough to sing about 82 man and big up 80. You don't see it. And yet it's easy if you go in near. Because show me the big difference, Rasta. You don't see it. You left from somewhere where you're dead for bill. You bleed for bill. If you go back somewhere, go build up. Where the people them where you go build up for them even responsible for you. For the building where you do, where you run from. Them also equally responsible for you wasting them labor there. And you run left it now, because all them now look upon you like a rolling stone. Them now no respect for you. You know see it? On the attitude regarding black people coming back, is the African not treat you like so well then he's a fallen brother or a exile brother. But no. I want to stop deluding yourself and misinform people and the youth them. You know see it? And make them make wrong choices because them years what of them life fix back Rasta. You know see it? Them sit there cause psychological trauma and mess too. You know see it? I want to entertain and help facilitate the deprivation of Africa. On the one side, if you sing say Africa for fix up. We don't if you come to Africa but Africa are nice right and all the people them are bigger slave than we. And them type of lyrics if you sing could tell them the truth. Stop there validate stupidity. Because that to now do. Hate me for no Nigeria, stupid South Africa, stupid Ghana, stupid. The whole of them Rasta no sense. You know see it? Because Zimbabwe should not go on so. Should not live so. Zimbabweans should not live so. You know see it? None of where Africa, the people them over Sierra Leone should not have no problem with the French over any farm or whatever. Because the rest of Africa should have been prepared for even boycott France when France now said when France they even trade with them. You know see, just like Jamaica did in apartheid. No way in Africa now have the bars which Jamaica government did have towards them as well, you know. To be fair, Rasta. Because Jamaica government make a big sacrifice and call the world bluff. Jamaica government caused the rest of West Indies team to withdraw them team from touring South Africa Rasta. You know, see Tapazuki losing career for that to this day. And nobody no answer no consequence towards that with Virgin Media and all them something again, you know. Because Virgin Media want to send the man go tour apartheid South Africa and the black man decides say nah go Virgin Media stifle the man career till this day. Stop, you know, see it, you know, nobody Tapazuki if you get compensation, you know, we are touch upon that one of them day, yeah. So we can run, come. You know, see it? Yes, Rasta. Big that thing. No, you know, and then again, everything what Jamaica do for Africa, too. Africa get big World Cup stage in South Africa, get big World Cup stage in South Africa in particular, where Jamaica stand up and bar so much fat. Don't even invite one reggae artist to come perform, neither at the opening or the closing of the show. Not even one of them reggae artists. You know, see it? Them sit there disgrace. And the music that was the heartbeat of the struggle. You know, see it. You know, see it. When we observe them things, the Rasta, where we are run go, we need to fix ourselves first. You know, see it. And probably we'll go down there and just take over a city. And the rest of Africa, we sit down and watch it. We could do it too. Two of them are moving now. You know, see it. We just take over a city and just call ourselves a name. And just build from this to go out, expand out, and them sort of something the Rasta. Unless that's how we are going to do it. You know, see it. But we can't go down and go scattered and splintered and find ourselves integrated in a groups and certain little culture where we see that exists right now and them little thing there. You know, not tell me that Rasta. Not tell me that Rasta. You know, see it. Development is real and necessary. Certain evolutionary process is necessary. It's just natural, Rasta. You know, see, I want to sit back and watch our people and I think and I act certain way in front of the world, Rasta, where like them don't know them place. And you don't know say you're being a clown because everybody else has technology and proficiency and them sort of something that them are doing. You know, nobody have no tribal war going in them thing and them sort of something that it's not a good ingredients to development and growth, Rasta. You know, see it. Are we alone have them? Hey, I want to know. Fix up that to don't know what the self. None of that to don't know. We want to bury them in the sun and go on like an ostrich. Me and an ostrich, Rasta. Me I tell you the truth. And if you don't know it like it is, well, Rasta, you're not going to know it. You know, see it. You're going to stay there and be delusional and see your way. By some people where I tell you a lie. You know, see it. Which me don't want nobody tell me a lie. You know, see it. Tell me the truth. That's what I mean. What are we talking about? We are talking fix up Africa. Look how much billions are down there and they just sit down and watch the place and the TV rate. Other people just take it. And I give talk and I give command and all them sort of something. There. You want them saying, hey, I'll Ghana, I want to know. Don't tell me nothing. I'm not business what nobody want to say. Who want to accept that as it is no class. You know, see it? You know, no class, Rasta. I mean, that time about no two city around the Sahara and Africa, me not talk about, you know. Me not talk about no one city and no one guy like a country or a state. Because of that it is. The rest of the world that lives so. Everybody else in the world set an example of unity. Why we also thirsty for attention and individual power. That's we feel like say that we rather entertain that, embrace that, rather than embrace something we benefit the whole away, or to complete power for the whole away. Because everybody would exist the same amount of power with any one president down there. You know, well, probably not that amount, but you'd have a whole lot more people who come by them power there, naturally and legally too. You know, see it. You know, see it. But again, you wouldn't have much people for going like you better than him, Mr. President. Come on, ask, can't stand Derby. You know, see it. Because again, nobody else can act like on a better off than we don't know whole heap of billions on no thief because we don't know so that's like a couple boys when them ready for rubbish them and show them in a egg. Them just expose them. And none of that money they won't have is not have no use to no can't benefit from it. You know, see it? So now if you just play ball and abide by the rules, as much as the dollars and the figures them up, still not have no power. You can't use it to no power advantage. Make no power play in regards to a particular region or even the interest or the benefit of Africa. That's worthlessness, man. That's downright worthless boy business, Rasta. That's not acceptable. No, me not take that. Me I tell you no. Step up this grade, step up the standard. No. You know, see it. Me done there in a slavery already. It's got to be worse and disgraceful if you say, oh no, in a slavery upon the land. Well, in a slave right now anyway. I don't even know. You know, see, and come like, una more slave than we were in the West. Because we in the West, at least, it's because them establish certain principle and I try embrace certain level of civility. Them can't go on like them want openly be sparing our you know, with the civility. Them have to make it look like, well, for the most of it, yeah, for the most part of it, more a lot more than Africa. And Africans on the ground were far more wealthy. We are supply the West. Yeah, yet the West can treat for them black people, offer them more resource and things like that and benefits than what Africa can offer to hit people. It's a disgrace. It's a crying, shameful disgrace, unacceptable disgrace. You can talk to your blue. There is so many levels where this thing is not acceptable, Rasta. Whereby you have to just burn a dirty boy and condemn some dirty people when they're in a class. We accept that. We accept Africa and a bad, so them want to go back as it is. We want to go back, go. Go do what? First thing, the people them, if we don't have nothing to bring, go give the people them not want in them community. So, and we don't have nothing for bring go. We don't have nothing for carry go, Rasta. We not go. Oh, we not go. Oh, it a go. Is that a really, secure decision? Think about it. You see it. I'm not business about no rich guy want to say. We can go and come as him please. You see it. We're a business when a rich guy wants to, we're going to have play in the thief in the resource them. And you can't go there because anywhere in the world you're going, you can't live a certain class where exists anywhere in the world. Just I'm saying, for instance, you there in Jamaica, you go up a Cherry Garden and them place there, you get the same level of security like what you get in most places in Britain. You see it. And when I say most places, I mean most places. And even more secure too. And with a lot more beauty at that. You see it. You see them with Africa. Yeah. You see it. So, nobody, you can't, take the narrative so well then like it can't happen now, like certain things or there's certain place where people can use as a reference point. Rasta. Civility exists there, the Rasta. You see it? Me can't do no Rasta. No Jaja. No Jaja. It's about time somebody tell them what these people are Rasta. It's about time, Rasta. Where the shoes them they will make Africa. Eh? Where the cologne there, where the car there, where them no Rasta. Mad, I take the old clothes from Europe and that are the biggest market in some country and all that. That's a disgrace. We shame about that. You see it? We there amongst white people and white people see them think the two Rasta. And I look and we make we look small. I better if they just have the same piece of sackcloth Rasta. Where them portray from old ancient time. Better if they have a leaf. Than I take all clothes from people. Better if they have a leaf. But would I feel more proud? Rasta. You see it? You can't have a... No, I'm not business. Nobody wants to say that about famine and hunger. I'm an idiot. I'm an economical idiot. Anybody will bring them argument there to I. You see it? You see it? Me not talk about, and even if the leader them is the way them is Rasta, the people them can't just sit down and subordinate under that. You see it? Who you know want to change yourself? You rather run way, go another man country where ready done bill. Like you're a fish. A fish culture that. Man don't have to watch people, things and ready for run, go man place, go nyam film food when work so hard for put pan in table. And gonna go ball to with your hand in front of your demands, benefit. And all them sort of sitting there like a worthlessness, nasty boy. And when there's somebody for tell or no. You see, if you not shame and send on about go fix that, we are going to just roll away and just there and just dwindle away. You see it? You see it? And Africa just there and will, black people end up lose it to other nations, to other races. You see it? Somebody need for telling us how now what this nasty boy Rasta. You see it? Like when I run competition for see who are the world, this is nation and people on the planet. And that's the competition where I observe, Rasta. I can't see any other farmer. It's like there is no other farmer motivation amongst Africa. You know, see it? Don't compare yourself to I and I either, you know. Can't compare yourself to I and I. And the wickedest thing, you don't have the advantage. That's the sick, twisted thing about it. Remember, I whole heap of you good and I want to tell you like that, you know, because you see through slavery and the whole thing, enough man in the West are good and want to feel good about themselves. And it good to give slavery a bit of validation and a good credit for how the youth them in the West look you know and how them, what they call evolve or them clean and them type of thing there. You know, see it? Because when you look back, as I say, Africa not tried, Africa they ever make a step up, never attempt to make a step, to catch up. You know, see it? It's like the West can always say, you see it? We do something good for the world, we take it all. You know, see it? No disrespect Africa, the chart, and the truth. And the truth, if you don't like it, Rasta, if you don't get it like it is like a big bucket of dirty gutter water in your face, like what the real circumstances in Africa today, Rasta. Nobody now gonna wake up. When not gonna wake up? When? When? Me say there is no place on the planet where I would like go more than Africa, but no place on the planet where I don't want to go right now than Africa. You know see it? You know see it? And Africa is responsible for that, Rasta. You know, see it? This is the time now when you're going to look on it and say, yo, black people just forgot it and move on. Africa forgot it and move on. I mean, Africa have none forgot and move on. You know, see it? You know, see it? And if them can't, how will we? You know, see it? Where we are going to move on go? Where we are move on with all this work, all this, I don't understand. Somebody explain to me. You know, me no need to give no mathematical figure. Me no need to give no scientific terminology, Rasta. You know, see it? The evidence is clear. You just need to know someone what this no bomb buckler. You know, see it? You know, see it? No disrespect. Africa, no Rasta. In terms of world affairs and foreign affairs, and no Rasta. No, Rasta. No, nobody else in the world no stay so. Nobody else in the world no workless. Oh, nobody else in the world no workless. So somebody need to tell you that blood clot. You know, see, after the whole I will benefit. I will continue to sit down and a mince word about Africa. When? Africa want to go when, Rasta? I wish God tell me that. When? Eh? Right, and if you give me a free ticket, Rasta, I have to think about the whole thing. You know, see it? And the first thing will come by your mind is safety, acceptance, social civility, and them sort of something, the Rasta. You know, see it? In this day and age, nowhere else in the world, you're not going to worry about certain things because the first thing you know, say, is that a certain level of collective security exists. A certain level of social civility, a certain level of tolerance exists. You know, see? And I don't want nobody come tell me about Roma, you know. You know, see? Because everything when I just say apply to Ethiopia right now, you know. Right now, today, you know. Ethiopia will orchestrate and organize the AOU. Ethiopia will have the most traveled and the most exposed leader ever. I want to tell me, say, man. I want to tell me, say. And if, hey, you know what? I give thanks, you know. You see, I give thanks. So if whosoever want go bow like you know class or you know style Rasta. Yeah, you know, choose your fight, Rasta. You choose your fight. You see, me rather fight with everybody else than go fight with my own. And right now, if you look in Africa, just that you go do. You give thanks, share, like, and subscribe.